Compatible with all LifeStraw Home water filter pitchers and dispensers. Improves taste and avoids the need to buy single-use plastic bottled water. The activated carbon plus ion exchange filter lasts up to 40 gallons, 2 months with regular use. Available in multiple pack sizes to suit your needs. Your purchase has impact. One product, one child, 1 year of safe water. LifeStraw is proud to be a B Corp and climate-neutral certified brand, committed to meeting the highest standards of verified social and environmental performance, transparency and accountability. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I needed. My original pitcher came with one of each filter and I ordered this set as replacements. Now, I have no idea how many gallons of water we put through the original filters. It has been over a year since I ordered the pitcher, so I just replaced them both and set a reminder on my phone to replace the small one every 3 months. The replacement process was simple, and although this set comes with a very good instruction sheet, you will probably not need it.